I'm Aiko Tanaka. I'm a teacher of the culinary school, and I love to cooking, teaching Japanese food.
I'm Arama. I'm her assistant at Aiko Tanaka Culinary School, and today we are going to be making
Sushi cake.
Sushi cake. Okay.
What do you have an image about sushi when you hear the sushi?
When I hear the word sushi, like where I come from, I think sushi means raw fish. But today you told me we're not using raw fish.
Yes, we have variety of the sushi rolls, and sushi nigiri, and we have family cooking. Chirashi sushi is making with the vegetables and baked fish and so on. So try today.
Okay, so the raw fish is sashimi.
Yes.
And the rice that goes with it, with vinegar.
Yeah, vinegar.
That's
yeah.
the sushi.
Yes, that is
part.
sushi.
Okay.
Sushi meshi or sushi rice.
Sushi rice.
Yes.
Okay.
Really nice kombu works. Yeah, so it's good smelling and deep taste. The kombu give the rice. Sushi vinegar. A little bit from bottom, like a cut.
Yeah, cut it.
Yeah, how to say?
We say cut it.
Cut in. Yeah. Sushi vinegar. Will go into the rice. The rice absorb vinegar.
And the rice must be hot. When
Yeah,
you cook,
must
right?
be hot. Yeah. So that's right.
Yeah.
It's very important. Yes. Okay. Shall we make it?
Okay.
Flake grilled salmon.
Can I do that in the regular oven or toaster oven?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh.
Go.
Yeah. This is nice, very good.
Wow, nice color.
Nice color. Only water.
Why?
Yes, only water. Sushi is going to water.
Watery?
Yeah, or something. Yeah.
Okay.
We need a little bit of water and putting the.
Oh, I'm gonna wash my hands in vinegar.
A little bit wet so that it's easy to handle.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Must be very hot. Nice. So make it.
Hands are too dry.
Yeah.
One, two, three.
Okay. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. We're decorating a little bit. And
Frosting? No frosting.
Yeah, frosting. Yeah. The children is sausage.
Oh, right.
Or, yeah, or cheese. It's done.
Happy birthday
Wow.
to surprise!
Surprise! So pretty, so
Sushi
cute!
cake.
Yes. はい、美味し
美味しくできました。
ケーキみたいになってるじゃん。
It's a cake, it's a cake.
ケーキ。美味しい。Good. Very good. You can try at home. Okay? Bye
See
bye.
you next time.
See you next time.